Hey my Tiffany J inspired friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video I am doing the Ross reopening haul that you've been seeing on YouTube. Everywhere Ross reopened in my area, and I was there, one of the first in line to score those deals, and I am super excited to show you everything that I purchased. I broke this Ross segment up into two different segments. This is the home edition segment where I'll be showing you some of the items that I purchased for around our home, and I cannot wait to show you. Next week's video I'll be showing you all the shoes and accessories and things like that. My Ross, and I heard that all the Ross stores are clearance. Mine was an extra 50 to 90% off. They're already low prices. You already know Ross is already a deal department store, and most of the items were 50% off, and there were a lot of items that were even 90% off. But before we get into today's video, I would love to welcome all my new subscribers. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. My channel is all about deals, DIYs, decor, fashion, and I am throwing in a lot of women empowerment into this channel as well, and I cannot wait to show you everything that I have in store for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so the first item I want to show you is this little basket that I found in the home and garden section. I thought it was like really cute. It's this basket. I thought it was really cute. It has like little handles that flip out and in. It's like a tan, like a taupe, and like a dark gray color. And this, my friends, I thought it has like 3 sections in it. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. It's probably like a decorative piece. I try not to buy too much decorative pieces because for the most part I don't need any more. But I really thought this was cute. And the price was even better. This was originally, okay, the compared price is $10. The original price is $6.99, and I purchased it for $1.49. Yeah, you're not going to be able to probably see it. Let me see. And here it is up close. I'm probably going to stand up for the remainder of this video. So you guys can see the prices up close. But yeah, I thought this was like really pretty. And let's go to the next item. Okay, so the next item, I'm pretty sure this was the same one that I saw before the stores closed down, and I was just like, I want this, but I didn't want to pay the price for it because it wasn't really like necessary to have it, but I wanted it. But it was like waiting for me when I went back to Ross. So it's this 2 stand. It's called an outdoor dining stand, and I think it's really cute. If you guys already know what my home theme is, it's like the more farmhouse kind of theme. So I thought this would be really cute. It says outdoor dining, and I thought that was cute because I'm getting our like patio and all of that together. And when we want to do, my husband has like a really big movie screen, and we do like movies with the neighbors and stuff like that, like have an outdoor movie night. And this would be really cute for us to put like our food and like our utensils and drinks on it, so when we do go outside and watch the movies, we have everything on here, and all we have to do is just like pick it up and carry it back in. But it's really cute. It can have multiple uses for it. This was, it doesn't have the compared price, but the Ross price was $14.99, and I got it for $3.49. I'm not sure if these prices are gonna like show up on here, but that was a super great deal. Like, it was really good. So I was super excited when I saw that. I definitely had to have it because I'm just like, first of all, I wanted it when I first saw it, and I'm just like, no. But then at $3.49, it was meant for me to have this. It was meant. But yeah, this was such a great deal. So let's go to the next item. Okay guys, so the next item is something that I purchase a lot. You guys know I love greenery and greenery pieces, and I picked up this floral decor. I thought it was like really pretty. Really pretty. And I'm gonna put this in the living room. We just our entertainment center came, and I think this will look really pretty on it. Yeah, like this wasn't like a crazy deal, but for greenery is never really reduced because it's like an all year item, and you know it's like a high demand, so they really didn't have like too much of the greenery like super cheap. But this was, I don't have the comparable price, but I have the Ross original price, which was $8.99, and I purchased it for $6.49. So here it is once again. So yeah, I absolutely love this. And I purchased the little it's the set of 3 orbs. These were really, I think I'm saying that right, the orbs. Yeah, there's 3 individual ones in here, and these were $6.99 originally, and then I got it for $4.99, so I got $2 off. But yeah, I like these because I can just use these like different areas in our home. I love greenery, and this was a good deal. So I know for a fact this item was the item I wanted before Ross closed down, and it was there waiting for me. Like, it was there waiting for me. I've been wanting this vase for a little bit. I saw it at Marshall's. It was like 20 bucks at Marshall's, 20 or 30 bucks at Marshall's, I'm not sure, and Ross had it for like 20. And then I was just like, you know, I'll wait, and then the store shut down, and I thought about this vase for a while, and it was there waiting for me, and it's big and it's heavy, and here it is. I've been wanting this for a minute because I have some tall greenery pieces I wanted to put inside of this, and it's so pretty, super sturdy, and it's made from recycled glass. It says handmade in Spain. And guys, this was such a good deal. It was, of course they don't have the comparable price on here, it's covered up by the reduced price. But Ross, okay, so Ross had it for $16.99, and I paid $5.99 for it. I don't know if it's going to show up. $5.99. Yeah, girl. So that was definitely a steal. That was definitely a steal. Okay guys, so if you saw my kitchen organization video, you know I have a cabinet full of like our kids utensils and bowls and cups and stuff like that, and I wanted to add some more bowls and cups to that cabinet, and Ross definitely had the winning deal for that. For my son, I had picked up this one, or for either one of them, I picked up this. It's a set of 6 bowls. It's like the ombre blue bowls, and you get 6, and it was only 99 cents. I'm trying to show you guys. 99 cents for 6 bowls. Such a deal, such a deal. This was mandatory in our home. And then I picked up the pink, of course, the pink ones, and these were 99 cents as well. So perfect children friendly, child friendly bowls. And they're cute, they're pretty. And I also purchased the cups. You get a set of 6 cups. But these were cute. I love the colors. These were 99 cents. These were 99 cents. It's like a pretty pink color. And as well as this pretty blue was 99 cents. This was an amazing deal, and it was something that we definitely needed. This whole shopping experience was hard because I did put back a lot that I did not need, that I just wanted. I'm just like, no. I kept telling myself, no, you don't need it. No. So I just picked up the stuff that we really needed right now, and I thought I did really well. I feel like everything that I wanted, back in March was like waiting for me, including this one, except the gray one wasn't waiting for me because somebody else got it before me. But this ottoman for my daughter's room, this will be perfect to put like some of her like baby dolls or some of her books and stuff. I mean, I have a shelf for her book, but I probably put like her baby dolls and stuff on it, and then she can sit on it and read her like little books and stuff. And this was comparable. Price was $33. Ross was selling it for $22.99, and I purchased it for $10.99, guys. $10.99. Like, it's heavy, but I'm going to show you. $10.99. I'm not even sure if you guys are seeing the prices, but yes. I saw someone else, they picked up the gray one, and then someone else picked up like it's like the leather ones, and they were all $10. So if your Ross didn't open yet and you find out when they open, definitely be there the time I got there, because you never know, they might open early. So yeah, that was worth me getting up pretty early and scoring these deals. That was heavy. Okay, so 2 more items for my children's room. I needed shoe racks for their closets, and they had the 15 pair shoe rack, and this is like the gray. This definitely matches Ken's room definitely very well. And I had got the other one for Miss Nala. And guys, these were amazingly priced at only $4.49. $4.49. So yeah, they were originally $9, so I basically got 2 for 1. So the last item I want to show you, I actually was going to save it for next week's video. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because next week is going to be amazing with all the clothing and accessory deals that I purchased from Ross. But I was going to save this next item for it, but I need to use it like now. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. So it's this, I don't know if you can see it, it's this jewelry box. Super pretty. It has my fingerprints on it. You can see my camera and my light, but yeah, it's super pretty. It has the opening at the top, and it has drawers. I'm going to show you guys in a minute the different drawers that I thought it was really pretty. So here's the top section. Super cute. Like, this was amazing. And it was originally $24.99 at Ross, and your girl scored it for $5.99, guys. $5.99. Oh, so here's it is like close up. I don't know if you can see the price, like, so hard to see, but yeah, definitely a crazy deal. Such a good deal. And that thing is super, it's so heavy. Like, I don't think I showed you the inside of the drawers, but yeah, I know I'm trying to hold it and show you. And then here's the drawers. Yeah, definitely a great deal. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I love everything that I purchased, and once again, this is the home edition video for my Ross haul of their reopening. So next week I have their the clothing, accessories, and shoes and all of that I'm going to show you, and I cannot wait. If you haven't already, please go like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload that video. And until next time, bye.